Creating a thumbnail for your YouTube video can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 3 hours, sometimes even over 5 hours if you're a super creator like Mr. Beast. It all depends on your experience as a creator, your video's niche, and the complexity of the design. But now you can say goodbye to all of those hours spent manually creating and designing your YouTube thumbnails, because there is a new thumbnail generator that is AI powered and will create incredible thumbnails for you literally in just a few minutes. It's called Thumbnail Maker Studio. And the best part of all is that right now you can get lifetime access to it at a one-time fee. But I'll get into the pricing and the plans in just a little while. Let's have a look at how the app actually works. Alright, so to get to it, you simply have to go to app.thumbnailmaker.studio. I know the link is kind of long, but I will link it in the description of this video. If you have not yet already created an account, all you need to do is head over to sign up, which is at the bottom of this panel over here. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, set a password, and you're good to go. I'm going to sign in real quick. And once you're in, it's going to take you straight to your dashboard. Now, before we get into all of these different sections over here, you can get a free trial for Thumbnail Maker Studio. It is a 7-day free trial or a maximum of 4 videos. So if you create thumbnails for 4 different videos within those 7 days or before the 7 days are up, then your free trial expires. If not, then it will run for the full 7 days. Mine is a little different. It says free trial, but I have 27,000 days and 304 videos remaining. But when you sign up for your free trial, it'll say 7 days and 4 videos. Right, now this is the main screen of your dashboard right over here. There's a section where you can see your recent thumbnails that you've designed. On the left, you've got a section for headshots and a brand kit. Now, headshots are basically you can upload specific pictures if you want the AI to use those images within the thumbnails. If you don't want to use headshots, all you do is not upload any headshots, remove them, and that'll basically give the AI free reign when it comes to the design and the creation of your thumbnails. You also have the section for your brand kit where you can upload a logo of your business. There are a couple of constraints with this. It needs to be 98 by 98 pixels, so that is the dimensions. If you have a logo that you need to resize or make smaller so that it fits 98 by 98 pixels, super simple. Go to Canva, create a project that is total size 98 by 98 pixels, upload your logo, save it and download it, and then upload that new size logo into your brand kit. It also needs to be a maximum of 2 megabytes in size. Then you've got your profile where you can basically manage your account. I will get into the different plan options that you have available and what they all include, but that'll be a bit later in the video. For right now, I want to show you how simple it is to get the thumbnails created for your videos. All you do is head over to your YouTube channel, select the video that you want to create the thumbnails for, get the shareable link, and then paste it into this bar right over here. Once you've done that, hit the magic wand and the AI will start doing its thing. As soon as I hit the magic wand, a couple of these progress bars came out. So it's generating the different thumbnails. You get 2 different thumbnail variations per video. And this just tells you the overall progress that the AI has made so far while creating your video thumbnails. It does say estimated time 19 seconds, 20 seconds, 21 seconds. And that is probably currently because I'm on the free trial. I'm in the queue of waiting for the AI to actually get my images done. But what I will do is jump forward once this is done creating, and I will tell you roughly the amount of time that it took to get the thumbnails created. By the way, the video that we are using is from the Taja YouTube channel, and it is this one. These useful ChatGPT features are hidden in plain sight. So that is the current thumbnail, and we're going to take a look at how it looks if the AI was to design that thumbnail. Well, not was to design, when the AI creates the thumbnails. It's not hypothetical. We're actually doing it. While that is running, a section that I did not mention previously is the support icon over in the bottom right corner. So when you click on that, a chat box will open up and you can just type your message to the support team with any questions or anything that you may be having trouble with, and they'll get back to you ASAP. And the way Thumbnail Maker Studio creates thumbnails is that it scans your entire video. So not just the transcript, the actual video, and it looks for expressive faces or expressions that you may have while creating the video. So over here, it says preparing emotive face 2. All right, it looks like it's done, but it looks for those expressive faces, the one that best fits your topic and the thumbnail, and then uses that within the thumbnail design. All right, and now we've got our 2 thumbnail variations that it has created. The one says secret ChatGPT tools hidden in plain sight. The other says 99% of people miss these features. What I do like about this is that it has included the actual ChatGPT logo in the background. Once you've got your images created, you do have a couple of options. If you like them the way they are, you can just hit the download button over there and it will save it to your laptop or your computer. Or if you want to make some adjustments, head over to the edit icon or head over into the studio by clicking on the edit icon. And from the studio, you can now make some tweaks to the actual image. So you can reposition the images or the different elements. What I really like about the editor is that you can actually make changes to the text. So if you click on the text, you can change the actual text itself. You can change the font size, the line spacing, the color, or the actual font that is being used. So if I wanted to reposition this over here, I'll just click on the text, just close that up, click on the text and drag it to where I need it to be. So instead of it having it right up against the side, I just move it a little more into the center. I can move this image slightly to the right. And those are some of the basic edits that you can make. Now you do have a few other options as well. So for example, you can set a solid background color. You can add in additional text, you can upload additional images, and you can add basic shapes. So for example, you may be thinking, why would I add a basic shape? The way I would use this is that I personally prefer to have any text on a solid background, just so it doesn't get drowned out by the design. So I would click on that, add a rectangle, drag this all the way across, bring that up, and bring that down so it covers all of the text. And then I'll click on the layers just to reposition where everything is. So I need to move this rectangle behind the text. So I'm just going to click on that and hold it, drag it over the text, and there we go. Just like that. I can also do the same thing with the image. If I want to bring my image to the front, click on this one, bring it up to rectangle. Now the image has actually come in front of the shape itself. Once you're done and you're happy with your thumbnail design, if you have edited it, you can either save it for later if you want to download it later, or just download it as is right now. And so what you can do as well, if you're unsure on whether you are going to use the original AI design that it's given you, or if you want to use one that you've changed, just create a duplicate of it and then edit the duplicate. So that way you always have the original one over here if you do want to come back to it. And like I said previously, when you have the AI handle the creation and the design of your YouTube thumbnails, you have a couple of options. The one is exactly like we did it, where you grab your shareable link, paste it into your dashboard, and let the AI have free reign over how the thumbnail looks altogether. Alternatively, if you want to give it a little more structure and a little more direction, what you can do is use the headshots and the brand kit section. So for headshots, you can upload up to 3 headshots that the AI will use as default faces in your thumbnail. So it'll look through those, look for which one fits the design the best, and then use that particular one. And then you can also upload your logo into the brand kit section. So it'll always include your logo into the design as well. What I really like about this is that Thumbnail Maker Studio creates 2 different variations per video that you paste in or that you upload into your dashboard. So that immediately gives you a chance to use both of them and run an A/B test without having to create 2 different thumbnails separately. Right, so now let's take a look at the plans. So you've got 3 different plan options. Starting at the top, you have Pro, then you've got Creator, and then you've got the Starter plan. Now the Pro plan is currently the most popular because this is a huge time saver for entrepreneurs, for business owners, and that's why they go for this plan. It is a $199 one-time payment, so no subscriptions at all. And it's for entrepreneurs, businesses, and established creators that are ready to scale their content operations. So within the Pro plan, you get everything in the Creator plan, plus 40 videos per month, 2 AI generated thumbnails, so that is 80 thumbnails in total, a dedicated support channel, and early access to any new features that are going to be coming out in the near future. Then you've got the Creator plan, which is for ambitious creators who are ready to take their content to the next level. This is $99 once off. I keep saying that it is a one-time payment, which it is. You pay once and you get lifetime access to all of these features. But, and this is a big but, the one-time payment thing is not going to be forever. It is going to fall away. This is currently just a launch special for Thumbnail Maker Studio. When it does fall away, it is most likely going to go over into a monthly subscription where you will be billed every single month for it. But back to the features within the Creator plan, you have everything in the Starter plan, which is this one over here. You get 15 videos per month or 30 thumbnails in total. 25 template styles, priority AI processing queue, which basically means that your stuff is going to get bumped to the front of the line. You don't have to wait like any of the other plans, for example, the free plan or on the starter plan. You also get priority email support. Then on the starter plan, it is for young creators who are just getting started and on their way to becoming a star. And this is the most basic plan. So within it, you get 6 videos per month or 12 generated thumbnails, automatic facial detection, one-click background removal, auto-generated captions, built-in thumbnail editor, which is what I showed you where you can make the adjustments, PNG and JPEG export, 5 template styles, and email support. So that is basically the nuts and bolts of Thumbnail Maker Studio. Honestly, you've seen from the video, how simple this is to use. All you do is upload your link and the AI is going to make some real good looking thumbnails for your YouTube content. Or you can upload your headshots and your logo into your brand kit area and have the AI use those media assets when it comes to creating and designing your thumbnails. But the bottom line is that it literally just takes a couple of clicks and a few minutes to have some really good looking YouTube thumbnails. And yes, I keep going about this one-time payment thing because honestly, there aren't very many tools out there right now that you can get access to at a one-time payment. Everything comes with a monthly subscription. So don't think about it for too long because you don't have to make your decision, come back, sign up for the plan, and then the one-time payment thing is gone. I hope you found the information in this spotlight video helpful and useful, and thanks for watching.